is out at the airport, and Claire, he has been following a situation since this morning regarding a United flight and a de-icing truck. Apparently they collided, and that caused quite the incident this morning.
Yeah, we know that de-icing employee was injured in that incident. Let's send it live out to Dan Grossman, who is at DIA with the latest for us. Dan, what are you confirming?
Yeah, well, Mike and Jessica, it's just been a complete mess at the airport. I checked about 5 minutes ago, and FlightAware is saying there's about 1,240 delays and 115 cancellations. At one point, we came across more people who were waiting for a delayed flight than those who were already in line waiting to get on board.
We do appreciate your patience. The weather outside is...
It was just one of those days. One of those days where looking at the flight board made you want to give the kids to grandma and grandpa.
There you go.
And go get yourself a drink.
Well, we went to Williams and Graham already over in Concourse A.
That just opened.
Yes, and these two stayed with Graham and Grandpa while we did that. So we already had our fun. We're trying to send them over next.
Margaret Thompson and her husband were delayed 7 hours trying to escape the snow via Hawaii.
Yeah, delayed until like 1 initially, and then they delayed us again.
Same with Isaiah and Sarah Ross, whose honeymoon plans to the island Pacific were also put on hold by Mother Nature.
We're getting into a headspace to be in Hawaii, so yeah, we're just kind of chilling.
Their flights were two of the more than 1,200 that were either canceled or delayed by mid-afternoon Friday. At one point, FlightAware had DIA as the second most miserable airport in the country, only behind Chicago's O'Hare. There were also serious issues. These photos are of a United plane that collided with a de-icing truck earlier in the morning. United confirming to Denver 7 one of the workers on the vehicle was sent to the hospital, while passengers had to take a bus back to the terminal to try and get onto another flight.
Come on, baby boy.
Fortunately, they had a friend waiting to help allay any nerves.
People are thanking him for the delays today.
Renzo might have been the happiest thing at the airport on Friday.
Say hello, what is that? Okay.
For all he knew, people came there to see him by the greetings he was getting.
You get some kisses?
So whether it was yoga in the concourse, scratches on the head, or bounces on the knee,
You need to play.
people made do as they kept their fingers crossed.
On a day like today, it's hard to tell what's going to happen.
Now quickly on that de-icing truck that ran into that plane, we are not sure what exactly caused that, but we spoke with the Federal Aviation Administration, which told us it is investigating the incident. Claire?
Well, Dan, hopefully as the snow starts tapering down, people will get to their final destinations. Thank you.